You can skip this ad if you don't want to know the 10 secrets internet marketing gurus never reveal. You want to make money, a lot of money, online and from home. You want financial, location, and time freedom. And all the internet marketing gurus are promising wealth beyond imagination. And they're all lying to you. All they want is for you to buy their expensive courses and click on their affiliate links so they can get paid when you use all the tools that they advise you to use. Yep, lying to you. And they lied to me. And I should have known, as I'm a lawyer. So it's not your fault. You just haven't been told some essential truths about internet marketing. Like, why 64% of those who try fail at work-from-home internet businesses. How to tell the scams from the real deals. What you need inside yourself to succeed in an internet business. And the hard truth about the need for working capital. I learned these secrets the hard way by losing a lot of money. And I'm no internet marketing guru, I can tell you that. I'm just a guy trying like you to build a revenue stream from home. So I'm willing to share the secrets I have uncovered so you can have a shot at internet marketing success. This report is free. It costs you nothing. And why? Well, first of all, because I'm a nice guy. And I only want people getting into this business with their eyes wide open. And it costs me nothing to reveal what I've learned, so why not free? If you want the secrets and can handle the brutal, honest truth, and for sure do not want to lose your ass to some internet marketing guru, click on the link below or go here, http://adviceandwisdom.com/secrets. Don't be stupid. Click on the link. It's free. You still here? Click on the link now. I promise I won't bite.